Okay, forks are installed, everything's torqued up. Right now we need to feed in some baseline suspension settings. K-Tech supplies recommendations for both compression and rebound. As far as the preload goes, there are 18 total turns. You want to begin from fully counterclockwise, so they're wound all the way up. With the 18 available turns, I want to start at 8, and we will tune from there. Okay, we've got 8. Now let's go ahead and adjust our compression. K-Tech recommends 16 clicks, and they want you to start from fully closed, which is all the way clockwise. Let's go ahead and wind this bad boy up until it stops. Right there. And then back it off 1, and we're going to count out 16. On our rebound side, 18. We have found these are all great places to start, okay? Especially the compression and the rebound. Different tracks, you might make some fine tuning, some fine adjustments to it. The preload, that's going to be really about rider preference. Preload changes the moment at when the spring moves. It never changes final rate. If you need to make rate changes to the springs, you simply need to replace the spring. Something else preload also does, it changes the geometry of the motorcycle. The more you wind that spring up, it wants to extend the fork, it'll lift the front of the bike up, and that's going to change the attitude of the motorcycle for sure, the steering and the handling characteristics. These are things you really need. If you want to get in depth, you need to work with a focused suspension tuner. What we're trying to do here is just show you what it takes to get this project done. If you have any questions or any comments, feel free to leave those here in the comment section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'll do the best I can to help you out. And if I can't get it answered, I will point you in the right direction, especially if you are a K-Tech suspension user.